what I built here is a bomb. Not a real bomb, but a bomb made for airsoft. Has a nice little switch built into it, just to prove that it's not an actual real bomb. When activated, this so-called bomb will turn on a siren. And a siren is conveniently powered by a 7.4 LiPo battery for your convenience. You're wondering what these buttons go to? Well, I'll show you. They go to key switches. I'll have to fix the stickers later. But anyway, and what I have down here are 4 separate keys. They're all different. Every time you insert a key into the switch, the LED comes on. Now, I wouldn't be able to turn the switch on yet, no. I would need to insert the right key into every little lock. And I can't simply, go like this and try to activate the wrong lock. No, I have to insert it into the right lock, turn it on, like this. See, now all the switches are activated. So now you can turn it on. Thank you for your consideration.